Jangan lupa untuk klik subscribe, like, share, komen.
Rich motherfuckers, they stay eating good, dropping wish, living good. Holding stick locks, but you been a bitch, suck a thick cock, fucking grip, walk, hit a strip like in Bangkok. Never ever see me ever trip, by the lip rot. See me on the TV screaming, bitch, you a damn fraud. And you don't wanna fuck with a chicken like me. When I pull up in that Maserati, better duck for your brain splatter on the concrete. I'ma hit you with that 4-5 bullet, hit your neck, run the bow tie, looking like a thriller film, bitch. I'ma go right back with the clip, and I know you be shaking. Don't test me or I'ma just click at your noggin. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking hoe. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking dough. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking hoe. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking dough. Yeah.